Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming key prerequisites. You need admin access to a Facebook page and a Commerce Manager-enabled account. Once you have that, prepare product assets, clear images, SKU, prices, and inventory, because Commerce Manager will require them immediately. Next, open Commerce Manager and choose to set up a shop. Select checkout method or redirect to website, and pick your currency and tax settings. Make sure your business info matches public page details, since mismatches often trigger delays. Now you configure the catalog and product mapping. If you use Shopify or WooCommerce, connect the platform, otherwise upload a CSV or add items manually. When mapping fields, be precise. Title, description, price, and availability must match your images and policies. Once products are imported, organize collections and set visibility for the creator storefront. Also configure shipping zones, tax rules, and return policy, because incorrect settings are the most common reason stores get held for review. Finally, submit your creator storefront for review and monitor Commerce Manager for status updates. Once submitted, you may see issues. Facebook often flags mismatched business info, restricted items, or low-quality images, so address those quickly. If a product or the shop is rejected, make the specified corrections, then resubmit. You can also open a support case to appeal. Make sure you keep logs of changes, because maintaining consistent info speeds approval and prevents repeated flags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.